What's going on, guys? Cody here with Civic Bell. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. And guys, today we're gonna get the car ready to drop the motor out of it, so that way we can get the other motor in. We'll go ahead and get the wheels off, start undoing everything, and get ready to drop the motor on the ground.
Six and a half hours later.
Alright, homie, so we took it off camera for a bit, torched it. Nope, sorry. We torched it for like 2 minutes and then hit it with the impact again at full pressure, and we're able to get it off. Rule of thumb, don't be an idiot like me. Take out the axle first, have it kind of sitting there, then loosen the coilover. Lift the coilover off of the lower control arm and the axle will come right out. And then you can bring the coilover out. Sorry for the confusion, but it's out. Alright guys, right now we're gonna do the shift linkage. And then back here, you're supposed to have a pin, but my car came without the big pin and I put it in. So if you have a pin, then you just gotta hit it out, maybe like a bolt or something. Just put a bolt on it, hit it out. Or if you have the, oh my god, almost died. If you have a bolt and nut there, then you undo that. So bring it down a little slower. Okay. Stop it there. Wait. Step forward. Out? Yeah, I'm out. Wait, you're pulling on something. Hold on. I'll still off. Okay, got it. Yeah. Successfully dropped the motor out of the car. Honestly, the two hardest parts about pulling the motor was the fact that the cart I had it sitting on was a little bit high, so it did jack up the motor quite a bit. Two, my jack doesn't go up that high, so it was kind of maxing out. We ended up having to put a wooden like plank on it pretty much to kind of give it a few more inches to be able to raise the car a little bit more to get it out. So putting the other motor in, either we're gonna have to not use the carretilla or the little cart and just use like have it on the ground on like some cardboard to like fish it in, or put more planks on the jack, but it just gets a little sketchy, but we'll find a way to get it in. So I've gotten some of the boring parts out of the way, like I got the oil pan on. The motor almost is pretty much together. Right now we're about to throw the flywheel on, put the clutch, transmission, and then hopefully start getting it into the car. I got a Exedy, or Exedy, however you want to say it, OEM replacement. I'm not really about that light flywheel life, so we're gonna go to get this on the car and then focus on me, bro. And then get the clutch, transmission, and then we're ready. Guys, we're gonna not get the motor in the car this video. So, well, as you can see, I don't know if you guys were able to hear, we were torquing down the flywheel and one of the bolts went righty-loosey, So pretty much it stripped a little bit the thread on the actual crank. So I'm buying new bolts because I was reusing bolts that were on the motor before. I know, but I've seen a bunch of people say that you can use them. I just went ahead and purchased some ARP bolts. They should be here Monday, along with a tap to see maybe I can like use it kind of like as a chaser and put it in. Maybe it's just the thread got messed up a little bit and it can be saved. But that's gonna be the end of this video, unfortunately. I was really hoping to be able to fit everything in this video and get the motor in the car for you guys, but I couldn't. So next video, we'll be putting the motor in the car and we'll be hopefully turning it on soon. At least getting the motor in the car. And then we'll worry about getting it turned on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, I mean, YouTube thinks you'll like this one. I think you might enjoy it. But until then, if you want for more progress on the car, I'll see you guys next week.